All right, hello once again. This is Jeff Scott from Jeff Teaches Programming, and as promised, we're going to come in now and hopefully, whoa, that wasn't good. We're going to fix the hourly stuff. Don't worry about that. I'm going to have to see if I can fix it myself. So let's see. Whoa, what the heck happened there? Okay, let's see. Well, that's going to help quite a bit. Let's see if I can at least get back to this now. There we go. So we've now got our salaried worker working, our commission worker working, our piece worker working. So the one left is hourly. So we're going to work on that one right now. And again, I've got a lot of errors in here, but that's okay. So this is going to be changed to input valid hours worked. This will be input valid hourly rate. And this will be calculate hourly gross pay. Well, let's fix those right away. Now, doing the calculating the hourly gross pay, of course, is going to be a little bit more complex than what we did before. All right, just so you know. All right, so let's even take that line that's right there and let's comment that out. And let's fix the other two, and then we'll go and worry about the last one. So this is hours worked. So this will be hours STR. And that'll be TXT hours worked. I think we did hours worked first. Yep. And verify that the hours worked is numeric in between 0 and 84. So again, this is hours STR. We'll just call that hours. All right, this will be min hours. Let's just fix all those. That'll be max hours. This will be TXT. TXT hours worked.text. Okay, that one is almost done now. So error in hours worked input. Hours, let's fix that. Hours worked must be numeric in between min hours and max hours. That, of course, will be an hours worked error. This will be TXT hours worked.text here. That one can stay TXT hours worked.focus. So that one is done. Let's do the hourly rate. Call this rate STR. Just call that rate. always nice when you see those errors going away. All right, all my errors are now gone, but the calculate gross pay is now incorrect. And what I'm going to do is, since I've been cheating anyway, I am going to see, let's see, this is first iteration. Well, let's just do it like this. I'm going to do a decimal gross pay equals 0m, and then at the end, so this will be the last line in here, it'll be txt gross pay dot text equals gross pay dot toString, and we'll make that currency as we have been doing. Oops. Okay, that fixes that, but of course it's wrong right now, so no, let's do what we did before, and that is, let's come in here and do decimal hours equal txt hours worked dot text, and of course we want to do a decimal dot parse. We don't have to do a try parse because we've already checked and verified that it's valid. And decimal rate equals decimal dot parse, same thing here, txt hourly rate dot text. Okay, so we've got all those. All right, so get back to here. We'll say no overtime gross pay calculation. So if hours is less than or equal to max non-OT, meaning they didn't work any overtime, gross pay equals hours times rate. Else, gross pay equals max non-OT times rate. That's their straight time. I don't have to put parens in here, but I'm going to try to do it for make it easier to understand what's going on. Plus another paren there. Max, nope, I'm sorry. Hours minus max non-OT. Put this whole thing in parens. Times rate times OT. Or what did I call that? Over rate. All right, so I should have the gross pay now. That should be everything. So let's double check. File, save all here. Let's run this. And again, we've already run this, and we've already guaranteed, basically, that our salaried works, our commission works, and our pieceworker works. So let's check hourly. If there is nothing in here, well, let's fix that too. Okay, so let's go into here. First of all, did we set the accept button? No, we did not. So the accept button will be for calculate, and the cancel button will be for startup. And we'll come in here, and it'll be txt hours worked dot select. All right. So again, file, save all on here. Let's run it. We're going to our hourly, It's now highlighted as it should be. Nothing in here. Error, well, I spelled that wrong, but we'll fix that. Error in hours worked input must be between 0 and 84. Should get the same thing here. Okay, should get the same thing. And should get the same thing. That's good. Let's go and change that to, we'll make it 50. Error and hourly rate, that's good. Error and hourly rate, that's good. Same thing. Same thing. Let's see if our overtime works here. 20. This should be $1,100 if I did it right. And it is. All right. Probably could put a clear button in here, but let's put a 40 in here and see if that gives us 800. Okay, it all works. If we change this to something bad, we get the error, and that should clear now. It does. If we do the same thing here, that should clear, and so should this, and it does. Okay, everything looks like it's now working. So I have now come in and I have created my first iteration of this. But as I mentioned before, there's a lot of ways, I believe at least, that this can be improved. So file, save all. And what I mean is there's a lot of duplication that's taking place in here, and I'm going to see if I can get rid of some of that duplication as we go on. All right, so that'll be the next thing that I'll be doing in just a couple minutes, and I'll see you then.